Hey there, urban plant lovers! Want to bring the magic of nature right into your home? You're in for a treat. Today, we'll show you how to create your very own captivating indoor vertical garden.
No backyard? No problem. With an indoor vertical garden, you can have your own green oasis, even in the heart of the city. Let's gear up for this green adventure. Grab some wall planters, nutrient-rich soil, a mix of beautiful plants, and of course, your love for all things green. Now, it's time to play Picasso with plants. Arrange them creatively and let your imagination run wild.
Water, sun, and a dash of TLC. These are the secret ingredients to make your green dream come true. Get ready for compliments galore. Your indoor vertical garden will be the talk of the town, a jaw-dropping masterpiece. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's a health and happiness booster too. Reduce stress, improve air quality, and boost your mood, all thanks to your green thumb. So, whether you're a seasoned plant pro or a newbie to the green scene, building your indoor vertical garden is an absolute must. Ready to bring the outdoors indoors and make your urban space come alive? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.